go as expected. Oh no, oh no!
Stay sharp, though. Don't lose your focus just because I'm tired. Oh.
Well, the little guy, he was kind of funny looking.
In what way?
I don't know, just funny looking.
Oh, cool. Yeah, he's a rattler. I can see his rattle. Well, no, they're on the. It's black, and then the rattle's right after that.
Just a good old boy, never meaning no harm. Beats all you never saw, been in trouble with the law since the day they was born. Raised in the curves, flat in the hills. Someday the mountain might get them, but the law.
I just jumped that puddle and landed in the bushes to the right.
Making their way the only way they know how. That's just a little bit more than the law will allow. Just a good old boy, wouldn't change if they could. Fighting the system like a true modern day Robin Hood.
this is Alhambra Road with a nice river flowing by it. Definitely a nice place to camp. You can find a decent spot close to the water. The spot we were just at had a steep incline down to the river. Man, look how pretty that is. That's a nice little area. Man, look how pretty that is. Okay, here's my setup today. Sometimes it's different. This time I decided to go triangle. I got a hammock and my bug net in there. I got a tarp on the ground to keep my stuff clean, hanging up my riding clothes. I got my bike here with all my stuff, my extra gas, my tank, my electronics set up. I got another Patrick over there in the tent. Corey's set up, hammock. Down there we got a little creek. Pretty nice. Hopefully it doesn't rain tonight.
Do you mind telling me what this